Digital people.
Production support role is the core of any industry that provides long-term reliable service to the end customer. They are production owners who have not only access to the production systems, but also have complete control over the services that are running in the production servers. By nature, the resources' knowledge grows with functional, technical, and process towards services. The sole purpose of production support role is to ensure the health of applications or services, heartbeat of connected or exposed services, stability of database and network, consistency of integrated ecosystem, vulnerability-free applications stack, responsible for deliverables, executing business as usual task and fulfilling the client request. As they are growing in providing best-in-class service to the client, they should start thinking from the perspective of application performance, latency in the network, high availability of the system, disaster recovery sites, the throughput of the system, modern monitoring solution, task automation, process redefinition, baseline the product feature.